to the ground. I'm like, what the? And then I look there, I see lights. Ah! And then Kuya asked me in the confession room a few minutes later.
We thought you were the one who screamed. Yeah.
Kuya asked me in the confession room, Edward, what are you thinking? I said, I didn't have time to brush my teeth or take a shower. And I was like,
you should just pray that she has colds. Yeah,
Just watch it, How many times Kuya will hope me? Ah, but I know Enrique always picture. Always sound. And then now the song, kaya mo ba to? But Enrique said no. And then you just on the pillow. You don't do anything but license ka.
Sa takdang panahon natin.
Ayoko! Ayoko na natakbo. Punta ako New York, di na. Wala ko pera eh. Kuya, pagin.
Mama, if it makes you feel better.
Kuya pa rin eh.
Ate Mai, tapos nawala ka sa New York.
Mama, if it makes you feel better, I ate 4 chilies without eating breakfast. So now I'm going to fart the whole night.
Taste ba?
No, just if you try, don't try a big one. I promise you. I started crying.
I choose one for... No, not this one.
Ayoko baka lang papatayin mo ko eh.
Ito.
Ayoko papatayin mo ko.
No, I promise.
No, this one.
Don't.
No, because the wrinkly ones, they're spicier. Oh, go.
Yeah, but don't take a big
Teka
one.
lang. Warm up. Oy, lagay ka na ng milk.
Lagay ka na ng milk.
Oh my God.
No. So spicier.
Oh, here.
No. That's even spicier. Go on.
Seriously?
You're taking a one with a
Excuse me,
lot of seeds.
Go, Val.
1,
I'm trying to.
3,
Go, Val. Go, Val. Yes.
Mapalo ka na.
Hindi kasi unfair talaga, bay. Nag-Rubik's Cube lang lahat. Ginawa ko na lahat.
Kasi hindi ba?
Isipin mo doon sa
Dako ka
Rubik's
chance.
Sandali, doon sa Rubik's Cube, Ate Mai. Nagawa mo naman ba na maayos? Pero kahit gagawa ko yung picture, pero yung libigan, tapos yung sounds na. Kung meron ka pa ng last chance, may chance ka pa ngayon, sasayaw ka.
Di May, baka kasi,
Baka mamaya, joke lang pala yung
baka
nasa
makatabi
New
mo
York.
si Enrique Hill matulog, ganyan. Baka
After niya pumunta
mas
ng
malaking price. Kasi yung effort mo,
Pwede
ganyan.
Right?
Pwedeng uwi niya bukas pala.
Meeting with Liza, that was given to me. I didn't have to work hard to, like you did, to get.
So, dapat
Eventually,
talaga.
when you meet Enrique, it's gonna be.
Balikat yan.
Yeah, it was a gift.
Bakit?
Kasi wala tayong ginawa, di ba?
Ha?
Wala tayong ginawa.
We didn't do anything. We just.
Makakuha si Ate Liza. Parang gift na pa sa pusa.
Tritot yan. Tritot na.
Try sugar. She told me to do it.
She's
Spoonful of sugar.
Gatas mo dito.
Yan, Christine, ha? Kalokohan mo. Ito.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Saan ka nakatira, Christine?
Kain ko ng sili.
Sa Laguna po.
Sa Laguna po. Ay, ikaw na.
Diba?
Umiyak siya ng gatas.
Umiiyak si Christine.
She's crying milk.
Sabi niya, kumusta ka na? Di.
I started with a small one and then I ate 2 big ones.
Ako sa ilong eh.
Wala.
Hindi ako.
Mama, yung tinapay na yung
Dito pa rin.
sa ilong mo.
Lamig ba?
Favorite mo!
Paano yun? Ah. Ipakita mo ang gaya mo.
Hashtag.
Hashtag Ate May.
Ha? Ba't ang lamig? Di ko makahinga. Yung di ka makahinga.
Sabi na wala yung bad mood ko kaninang umaga.
Lagyan natin ng formation,
Oo.
Vibrate. Ha?
Choreo.
Ako ulit ah. I need water.
Ay, yung pasa ako. Ay, hindi ko matataas.
Bakit? Wala rin.
Wala na, ayaw.
Pasa talaga yun. Hindi na to, no?
Upuan.
Upuan. Aray ko.
Sobrang kabaliktaran rin yung nararamdaman natin sa labas. Sobrang init. Kuya.
Oo.
Sige lang. Sanay na ako kasi cold. Joke. Napaka-cold ng feelings ko. Abay na sanay na lang ako. Yan naman malamig. Pag hindi nyo isipin.
Hindi naman.
Baka mo yung damit niya.
Keep the door open, please.
May.
Please, so cold.
So cold daw kasi. Ano kasi ba?
So close.
Alam niya, alam nila sa akin.
Yung sa Enchanted. Yung, nakita mo na yung Enchanted?
Kawa.
Yung sumayas na sa ball. So close. Na na na. Na 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 na. So close.
Yung tubig na cartoon.
Tapos biglang nag-reel.
Ganda no, no?
You should call
Hindi niya yan,
How does she know? She know that you really, really, truly love her. Close ko lang.
Parang pwede rin si Ate Liza doon, no? Yung sa Enchanted.
How does she
Yung
know?
bida, pwede rin siya doon.
Sa Ate Elis din. Sa Enchanted. Ate Elis. Enchanted. Ate Elis.
Kamukha niya nga eh.
Medyo lang.
Medyo.
Malaki, mas maliit yung mukha ni Ate Elis eh.
Gagano lang cute ni Ate Liz magsalita, no? Alam niyo ba? Gagano ni Ate. Ang cute. Kasi nga, dati. Gagano lang cute. Ate Liza, bye. Talagang lucky pala talaga ng season na to. Truly, truly lucky. How do you know that you're lucky? You met Liza Soperano.
I will make it sooner.
Ano, you know, have the
Si Ses, okay ka lang. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ay, big. Parang girls ka pa rin.
Gumalaw ng ganito.
Ding dong. Di ba kayo girls of Wiu Wiu? Di ba ikaw ako sa Christine? Ding dong. Ang tawag. Gets mo na?
Kunin kayo sa pag-jacket.
Hindi pa rin. Di ba kayo pag gusto nyo? Ha? Wait.
Kay Edo.
No, it's not mine. Yung tape.
Kanino to?
Edo.
Sige. What? Kaya. Oh. Sige. Pati mo. Huwag ka niya yun.
How does she know?